Hey, hope you're doing really well. Hope you're having a fantastic day and you're staying safe. I was actually inside this shop just behind me, and I was just checking out some of the products or some of the products they've got. And basically, just by going in there and having a look and seeing what's available, I actually got 2 product ideas that I can put into my Amazon store. The point of the lesson is really go out, be curious, go out and go to retail stores, go to shopping centers, go to the ones that are actually open right now. You're not only supporting a business, but also you're helping them. But be open to new product ideas. And I've done that a few times actually. I've just walked into a store randomly, just being curious, and I saw a couple of products. Now what some of these shop owners here don't know is there's tools out there like Helium, like eGrow, like Jungle Scout, where you can run the numbers on these particular products and work out what the profit margins are going to be, what the sales are like in the last month, right? These store owners here don't know how to run the numbers, whereas, you do, all right? Or you can learn. So yeah, it's be curious, visit retail, check them out, get some ideas and run the numbers while you are in the store. If you have it on your phone, which you should, right? It's an app. You can get apps these days where you can run the numbers yourself. If you have an iPad Pro, right, you can bring out the software, run the numbers, and you'll get sales statistics. How many products that they sold in the last month, what the sales turnover was like. You can run a profitability calculator on it as well, all right? And it's a huge opportunity out there because, like I said, there's a lot of retailers right now, they're struggling and they're just not up with it in terms of what their products or what their produce can be sold on Amazon, like what the numbers are. So have a great day, stay safe, talk soon, bye for now. Hey, this is what I'm going to promise you. We are running a live webinar. I would love to see you on the webinar. Here's what you're going to be learning on the webinar. I'm going to reveal 10 products that are currently selling right now on Amazon. I would love for you to see those products. I'm also going to reveal some products that I've been involved in personally as well with selling these on Amazon, all right? So I'm going to reveal those products to you. And some of these products, very, again, light, small, profitable, things that you can brand and build your business around. I'm also going to show you the step-by-step process to getting involved, getting your product listed on Amazon, and I'm also going to reveal strategies to actually getting started in the next 30 days. So I'd love to see you there. This is going to be a great training, and visit our website to find out more information on that. Talk to you soon. Bye for now.